Hi, this is Mike from the Wilkins Company to show you how to use the new sound system in the South Gym. Once you open the rack, this is your power button here. That's going to activate the power sequencer up here. There are 4 stages of power. This can take up to 30 seconds to power up. As it does, you'll start to see things lighting up. The blue light for the mixer indicates that it's powered on, and then you'll see the blue light here for the amplifier. This is the new Bluetooth receiver. Even if you have paired to this previously, each time you connect to this, you have to hold down the pair button here until the blue light flashes. That's a security feature so that it doesn't automatically reconnect. So if you've never paired to it before, you'll go to your Bluetooth list. Sometimes you need to turn your Bluetooth off, then back on. It'll find the new device, select it, and it'll pair. If you've connected to this before, just select that device again in your Bluetooth list while this blue light is flashing. Back at the mixer here, these are the 4 volumes. The first one is not available. This is for the PA system override. The second is for the wireless headset system. The third is the Bluetooth volume, and the fourth is the aux volume. The aux volume is this connection over here. This device will take either RCA or it'll take an aux cable. The provided cable we're giving you, the other end of this has USB-C, Lightning, or an aux cable, so every connection you would need. And again, the volume for that is right here. This is the new wireless headset system for this gym. We have this labeled as South Gym on the back. There's an identical one for the North Gym, so make sure you're using the South Gym. To turn this on, it's this power button here on the left. You hold that, and that'll turn on. And then you have a mute switch on top here. If it's flashing red, it's muted. If it's green, it's active. You can hold this button to turn it back off. When you're finished using the system for the day, you hit the same power button you used to turn it on, and that'll turn the sequencer off in the same 4 steps in reverse order. Thanks for watching.